We are here at the Kpatawee Waterfall. Okay, so follow this our platform. We are going to be posting a lot of videos on this historical site, the Kpatawee Waterfall in Bonka. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment.
This is Kpatawee Waterfall, located in Bonka Swahuku district, and also in Liberia. This is a female fall. We have a male fall. This is a female fall. And we also have a female tree that recognizing the place as a female fall. The cattle tree is a female cattle tree.
Okay.
This place was discovered in a serenity.
Okay.
By a hunter called Pak. And the hunter, he was captured by a great female warrior called Madame Swakoko in Basso. And I bring him into Bom County. So in his hunting bush, when he came to home in the morning, Saturday morning,
yes,
he discovered this place.
Okay.
And then when he passed, before getting him back to the village, he killed an elephant. And then he took the information that he killed an elephant. And so after slaughtering the elephant meat, he asked the people whether they had some the citizens have been to this place before. They said no. He said, but I just discovered a waterfall this morning when I was on my way coming back to the village, okay, before killing the elephant. So he took them to the waterfall, and then he asked them what was the name of this place, and no one could identify the name of this place. So they asked him, they said, but sir, can we give you the name to the waterfall, Kpatawee? And then he said yes, because he was a Pak. So the name adding to the waterfall, and a group of people adding to him to give the name is what make the name of the fall, Kpatawee Waterfall.
Okay.
That's how the people was discovered.
All right, thank you so much. So what's your name again?
I'm Ranov Chala.
Okay, that was a very
tour guide in Kpatawee Waterfall.
Okay, that was a very nice information. All right, thank you, sir. Boss, Brian got to. There we go, Mr. Carter. So I can, as you can see, we're hiking onto Kpatawee Waterfall. So this is good. So just keep seeing, just keep watching. This is church. Alright.
The wood from here.
So they got the wood.
Yeah, they got the wood from here to build it.
At Kpatawee Waterfall, and we are doing some hiking. So this just to inform you that if you are interested of coming to look at the waterfall and also to do hiking, we are available. You can contact us.